welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna solve the LeetCode question number 1221, split a string in a balanced string. So first of all, let us understand the problem. So a given balanced string are those that have an equal quantity of L and R characters. Give a balanced string as split it into some number of substrings such that each substring is balanced. Return the maximum number of balanced strings you can obtain. So what this problem tells us, a balanced string has an equal number of L and R characters. So we have given a balanced string S. So we want to split into a maximum number of balanced substrings. You can see here the first example. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5R and 5L. So we want to split into a balanced string. So first we will split these two RL. So it will become the balance string. After that, we will split this RRLL. So it will also become the balance string. After this, we will do the RL and this RL. So here we get four such strings. So what will be the approach for this? So approach will be the scan. We will scan the left to right and maintain a running balance. So what we will do, we will increase the balance by 1 at the time we get the R, and at the time we get the L we will decrease the balance, and at the time where the balance hit 0 then we found a complete balance string. So we will increment the count and reset the balance. Okay, so what will be the algorithm for? So we will initialize, first of all we will initialize two variables. First will be the balance is equal to 0, initial value will be 0, and second will count, and its initial value will be also 0. Now for each character in S, if R, then we will increment the balance, and if we get L, we will decrement the balance. And after, if balance equal to 0, we will increment the count, and at last we will return the. So now let's move to the code. So what will we do? Wait, first we will initialize two variable. First will be balance equal to 0, and second will be count. Count also will be 0 at the initial value. Now we will take a loop for character, every character C in S. So what will be here? Condition will be if we get C equal to R, then what will be output? So we will increase the balance by balance plus, else we will return balance minus for after and for this, if the balance becomes 0, so what will we do? We do count plus plus. We will increment the count, and after this loop, we will return count. So now let us run this code, see if it is right or not. So here we get okay, silly mistake. This run the code. Here you can see the code is right and the runtime is 0 milli per second. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.